Located in North Jersey is Ridgewood Country Club. This legendary private golf course dates back to 1890 when it was first constructed. Now it's known as a premier 27-hole layout with an iconic castle-like clubhouse and a National Register of Historical Landmark place. It's recognized as one of the most historical hubs here in the game of golf, and it might be just in your backyard. With a ton of history at this location, let's dive on into it in a quick 3-minute video. And of course, if you have any information yourself, and if you played this course, we would love to hear some comments down below. Now, its beginnings of this golf club came into play when William Rosenquist began a 2-hole formal golf, one would say course, but just 2 holes on his front lawn on the estate there. Then there was the Billy Goat era. After outgoing its original property, the club relocated to a hilly 110-acre property in 1913. Members named the rugged layout as Billy Goat's Course. Now, the current location that you're seeing now was built. The current location that you're seeing now by the late 1920s, a local trolley line and roads choked off any room for expansion. The club purchased its current 257 acres there in May 30th, 1929. It was A.W. Tillinghast who helped design this unique golf course with a 27-hole layout. He utilized the central ridge line and created a 3 direct hole loop with the center, 9-hole loop with the center, west, and east course. The club is really a magnificent clubhouse in itself and was designed by another Norman-style clubhouse. Clifton built this premier golf destination in the late 1920s, and also has seen some major events in golf legends. Nelson, who served as the assistant professional at Ridgewood in 1937, he represented the club during its major professional championship during his victories and career. He's hosted the Ryder Cup in 1935, the U.S. Amateur in 1973, the Senior Open in 1990, and many others like 2001, the PGA Senior Open, and most recently the U.S. Amateur in 2022. This is a great course that we recommend learning more about, and hopefully we do in the near future here with the Parfessor Independent Golf Channel.